Hello, today we're going to learn how to create a transparent signature stamp for Adobe Acrobat X. The first thing that you're going to want to do is get a nice clean white sheet of paper and sign your name on it, how you like it to appear in your signature. People have suggested that you need to use a fine point Sharpie, however I find that any nice ink pen will work just fine. And so what we'll see is, and I scanned it to PDF, so here it is, and the first thing we're going to do is capture just that image. So in Microsoft Windows 7 you have something called the snip tool. If you've never used the snip tool, the easiest thing to do is go to the start menu and in search programs and files type snip, and that will bring the snipping tool right up. And all you'll have to do is drag the cursor around the area that you want to capture, like so, and get it as tight into the image as you can. Let go, and then in the file menu in the snipping tool, save as, and I'm going to save it as a portable network graphic file in my pictures library. That's important so you'll know where you put it for later. The next thing you want to do is clean this image up so that it is in fact transparent. So I'm going to open Microsoft PowerPoint because I don't have Photoshop, and this is the easiest way I know of to edit graphics successfully. So what I'm going to do is going to the insert menu, I'm going to insert picture, and I'm going to the picture library, and I'm going to find that picture, and there it is. Now what I want to do is two things here. One, make it a little bit cleaner so that it doesn't pixelate when it's resized, and the other thing is to make it transparent. So first I'll go into the corrections tool and I'm going to sharpen the image up so that it doesn't pixelate when I resize. I'm going to then resize it a little bit so I can see it better, and then I'm going to the color tool and I'm going to click set transparent color. And I'm going to click Set Transparent Color in any closed space as well as the open space around the image. So that would be in these loops, just so all of the background is in fact clear. And one more for good measure. What I'm going to do now is right click, and I'm going to save as picture. I'm going to save this as long signature like I did before, .png. I'm actually going to take this extension off because we know that it is, and replace the existing picture, and now we know we've got it. The next thing I want to do is create the custom signature stamp in Adobe Acrobat. So we'll go back into Acrobat, and you can go into the comments, forms, and then go to signature stamp. What I've done is I have actually added this little tool to my toolbar up in the quick tools. So I'll go here, create custom stamp, browse. You'll note that Adobe defaults to Acrobat PDF file, so you'll have to change this to PNG, which is the file you saved it as. There's your signature file. You'll click open, OK. I'm going to use the default category sign here. I'm going to name this and click OK. And now when I want to apply the signature, I simply go sign here. I pick up the image, I drop it on there. You see I can resize it and move it around. And because it's clear, it does not write over the line. And that is how you create a transparent signature stamp for Adobe Acrobat.